So, why are airlines finally dropping baggage fees after years of squeezing us? It's not generosity, it's pressure from travelers and the government. Outrage over junk fees has reached a boiling point, and the Department of Transportation is cracking down. Airlines are being forced to be transparent or face regulation. The result? Major carriers like Delta, American, and United are making your first checked bag free on most domestic flights starting next year. This is a huge reversal. Finally, your ticket price includes bringing your stuff. Here's a quick look at the airlines officially scrapping the first checked bag fee. This means less stress, no more last-minute math at check-in, and real savings. But don't celebrate just yet. Budget airlines like Spirit, Frontier, and Allegiant are holding on to baggage fees for dear life. Their business model relies on low fares and endless add-ons, so expect them to double down on fees. Flying budget? You'll still face charges for carry-ons, checked bags, and even printing your boarding pass. The divide is clear. Legacy carriers are making life easier, while budget airlines are the final bosses of baggage fees. Navigating this new landscape is key to saving money. That's why I'm giving you the playbook to avoid baggage fees on any airline. We'll cover the best hacks for both major and budget carriers. The story of 2025 travel is all about knowing which airlines are on your side, and how to beat the rest at their own game. Don't just look for free bags, learn how to never pay a baggage fee again. Ready to master the new rules? Let's dive into the hacks that work everywhere. Stick around for the next section. You won't want to miss these strategies. The power is shifting back to travelers, but only if you know how to use it. This is your chance to travel smarter and keep more money in your pocket. The days of surprise fees are numbered, if you know what to watch for. Let's make sure you're always one step ahead. The right knowledge is your ticket to stress-free, affordable travel. Let's get into the hacks that will save you the most. Here's how to fly with free bags in 2025. Even with free checked bags on big airlines, you need a strategy, especially for budget carriers or extra bags. Hack 1. Max out your personal item. Every airline allows one free item under the seat. Don't settle for a tiny backpack. Get an underseat bag that fits the maximum allowed size. You can pack for several days if you're smart. Hack 2. Use airline credit cards. Most major airline cards offer a free checked bag for you, and often your travel companions. The annual fee pays for itself after just a couple trips. Hack 3. Status match. If you have elite status with one airline, many others will match it, giving you free bags, priority boarding, and more. Use sites like Status Matcher to find current offers. Hack 4. Ship your luggage. For long trips or lots of gear, services like Luggage or ShipGo can be cheaper and more convenient than paying airline fees. Your bags go straight to your destination. These hacks work for families, frequent flyers, and even occasional travelers. Don't let budget airlines trap you. Use the personal item loophole and credit card perks to save big. For group trips, one credit card can save everyone hundreds. Status matching can upgrade your travel life for a year with just a few clicks. Shipping is a lifesaver for bulky or specialty items. The key is to plan ahead and use every tool available. With these strategies, you'll never pay a baggage fee again, no matter who you fly with. The airlines count on you missing these tricks. Don't let them win. Pack smart, use the right cards, and always look for status match opportunities. For big trips, compare shipping costs to airline fees. You might be surprised. These are the hacks the airlines hope you never learn. Now let's talk about carry-on secrets for 2025. The rules are changing, and you need to be ready. Overhead bin space is the new battleground. Here's how to win the carry-on game. Stay sharp. These tips will save you even more. Let's go. With more people checking bags for free, airlines are cracking down on carry-ons, especially oversized ones. Gate agents are enforcing size limits like never before, and fees for non-compliance are steep. Ditch the hard-shell roller bag. Instead, use a soft-sided duffel or travel backpack. They're flexible and can squeeze into tight spaces or bag sizers. The right bag is now a strategic choice, not just a style one. Try the power couple strategy. Pair a slim underseat roller as your personal item with a backpack. Most agents won't question both. Use a backpack with a trolley sleeve to combine them into one unit if needed. This combo lets you maximize your free allowance and avoid new carry-on fees. Put heavier items in the roller, essentials in the backpack. The game is shifting from checked bags to overhead bins. Be ready. Know your airline's exact carry-on dimensions and stick to them. Don't risk being forced to gate check and pay extra. Flexibility and smart packing are your best weapons. The right bag and strategy can save you money every single trip. Don't get caught off guard at the gate. Plan ahead. The carry-on war is real, but you can win it. Use these secrets to fly with everything you need without paying a cent more. Next up, how to spot and avoid the new hidden fees of 2025. Let's keep your travel budget safe. Airlines aren't giving up on fees, they're just getting sneakier. Here's how to spot and dodge the new traps. First, the cabin bag fee. Budget airlines now charge for overhead bin space, sometimes more than the flight itself. Always check what's included before you book. Second, the priority boarding upsell. Airlines prey on your fear of losing bin space. But with more people checking bags, overhead space is actually more available. Skip this unless you're last to board and must keep your bag. Third, same-day bag check charges. Some airlines now charge more if you pay for a checked bag at the airport instead of online. Always prepay for bags before you get to the airport. The golden rule: read the fine print. Go to the airline's website and check their baggage and optional fees page before booking. Don't trust booking sites to show you all the details. They often hide extra charges. 10 minutes of research can save you hundreds. Airlines are betting you won't notice these new fees. Prove them wrong. Always double-check what's included in your fare. If you're flying budget, assume nothing is free except your seat. Watch for unbundled fares that charge for everything from bags to seat selection. Don't get caught by surprise at the airport. The more you know, the less you'll pay. Stay alert for new fee tactics. Airlines are always inventing them. Knowledge is your best defense against hidden charges. Make it a habit to check policies before every trip. The fee landscape is always changing. Stay ahead. With these tips, you'll keep your travel costs under control. Don't let hidden fees ruin your trip. Next, let's talk about packing hacks to travel lighter than ever. The less you bring, the less you pay. Here's how. Let's pack smarter. The best way to avoid baggage fees: don't have a bag to check. Here are 3 packing hacks to help you travel lighter and smarter. First, wear your heaviest and bulkiest items on the plane. Boots, jackets, and sweaters don't count as carry-ons. Think of your travel outfit as extra storage. Second, invest in compression packing cubes. These squeeze your clothes down to half the size, letting you fit more in less space and keeping your bag organized. With compression cubes, you can travel for a week with just a personal item. Third, rent what you need at your destination. Services let you rent clothes, baby gear, or sports equipment, often cheaper and easier than bringing it. Shift your mindset from pack everything to get it there. Combine these strategies. Wear your bulkiest items, compress your clothes, and rent specialty gear. You'll breeze through airports and avoid all baggage fees. Packing light isn't just about saving money, it's about freedom and flexibility. The less you carry, the easier your trip. These hacks make it possible to travel with just a carry-on or even a personal item. The airlines can't charge you for what you don't bring. Master these tips, and you'll never stress about packing again. Light travel is the ultimate travel hack. Next, let's look at what the future holds for airline fees. Stay ahead of the game. Here's what's coming. Let's peek into the future. What's next for airline fees? The game is always evolving, and airlines are hunting for new ways to charge us. Dynamic pricing for luggage is coming. Bag fees will change based on demand, season, and how early you book. Booking early will save you money on both seats and bags. Expect more unbundling, charging extra for everything from reclining seats to tray tables. The standard fare may soon get you just a basic seat. Subscription models are on the rise. For a yearly fee, you might get free bags, seat selection, and priority boarding, great for frequent travelers. This will create a new class system. Subscribers get perks, everyone else pays a la carte. Airlines want predictable revenue and loyal customers, so watch for more subscription offers. The future is more complexity, more add-ons, more variables, and more fine print. While free checked bags on major carriers is a win, the battle is shifting to booking sites and overhead bins. Your best defense is to stay informed, watch videos, read travel blogs, and keep up with airline news. The traveler who does their homework will always save the most. Stay vigilant, and you'll outsmart whatever new fees airlines invent. The more you know, the less you'll pay. Don't let airlines outmaneuver you. Be proactive. The future belongs to informed travelers. Keep learning, and you'll always have the upper hand. The war on fees isn't over, but you're now equipped to win. Stay sharp, and you'll keep your travel budget safe. Let's wrap up with your final travel masterclass. You're almost ready to conquer the airport. Here's your final checklist. That's it! You now have the tools to conquer airports in 2025 and never pay an unnecessary baggage fee again. We covered why fees are changing, how to get free bags, carry-on secrets, and how to spot hidden charges. Which hack will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I read everyone. If this video helped you, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel hacks. Next up, airport lounge secrets. How to get in for free, no matter your ticket. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.